Hello friends, welcome to the world of Pushkar's Wiki. Today's topic is very interesting and informative. If you will look around, you will see your phones, laptop, TV and even electric cars. Everything rely on something special that you probably have not heard much about, which is called rare earth minerals. Rare earth minerals are special minerals that contain 17 elements. Despite the name, they are not really rare, but they are hard to find in pure form, which makes them precious. Now, the question is, why are they important? Rare earth minerals provide the magnets, power in wind turbine and electric vehicles. The screens in our device you see every day, and even high-tech medical and defense equipment contains the rare earth minerals. Without rare earth minerals, maximum of the modern technology will not work properly. So we can say that rare earth minerals are the hidden building blocks of our future. Now we will learn more about the rare earth minerals in the following video. Rare earth minerals are a group of 17 metallic elements. The word rare is in the name, but they do exist in the earth crust, which is difficult to extract, or we can say that it is just not in concentrated form that easy to mine. Most deposits are mixed with other minerals, and separating them requires extensive chemical processing. Extracting them is a complex method and expensive, and also not friendly with the environment. There are two categories of rare earth minerals. First, light rare earth minerals. Heavy rare earth materials has its own special use. Some make magnets for electric vehicles motor, while other provides power to MRI machines, which is very critical in medical science. There are multiple uses of rare earth minerals. Some of the example you can see here, like neodymium is very critical for magnets in electric vehicles and wind turbines. Europium is for bright red colors in TV screens. Lanthanum, which makes camera lenses clear. You can remember those days when photo quality was not good, but now you can see the difference in the photo or video quality in 4K resolution. All these due to the rare earth minerals, which impact the quality and enhance the technology in our day-to-day life. Now we can see where we can find the rare earth minerals. We can find rare earth in many parts of the world, but production is highly concentrated. China alone controls more than 60% of the global supply. The US, Australia, Myanmar, and Canada are also major players. India, Vietnam, and Brazil have large reserve, but currently production is very low. As I mentioned earlier, extracting rare earth minerals is costly and complicated, and not all countries have the technology to do it. That's why many nations remain dependent on bigger powers. In present time, China has 44 million tons, Vietnam has 22 millions, and Brazil have 21 million tons. Russia has 10 million tons, and India has about 6.9 million tons, which makes the fifth largest country in the world. Since maximum device and technologies are dependent on the rare earth minerals, nowadays most of the bigger countries they wanted to have a control on the rare earth minerals to dominate the other country, and that's why the trade wars, export bans, and the diplomatic tensions often arises. So we can say that a country that controls rare earth will control the future of technology and will rule the entire world. Again, the question is, what is the future of the rare earth minerals? With renewable energy and electric vehicles demand, their use is expected to triple by 2040. But again, the future won't depend only the mining because the resource is limited and extraction is very difficult. So we have to work on the recycling, substitution, and new extraction technologies will play a big role here. Our scientists and researchers are working on a new materials like ferrite magnets, cobalt based alloys, and even graphene. But so far there is no perfect substitute has been found. It may still take some time to find a true alternative. Now we will know where the India stands in rare earth minerals. India's position is fifth in the world with 6.9 million ton reserve. India has rich coastal monazite sand deposits, but current production is low due to the lack of technology to extract the minerals. But in future, with investment in processing plants, mining infrastructure, and research and development, India could become a major supplier, reducing global dependency on China. And finally, we can say that these are the minerals of tomorrow hidden in the rock of today. Rare earth, which is small in size but the bigger game changer of the future. The only question is who will wear the crown? I hope it should be our Bharat. Thank you for watching this educational video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in our next video. Dhanyavad.